to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Iyana, and you want to go ahead, press that subscribe button, because we be having fun over here. We cool over here. We slay over here because we just cool and we be partying. So press subscribe, okay? So in today's video, it's finally here. I redid it because I did it a long time ago and you can barely hear what I was saying. Today I will be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. Brows for the prows, okay? I love doing my eyebrows. I don't know, it's just like, I just love doing my eyebrows so much. Brows are life, okay? So I will be showing you guys what I use on my eyebrows, how I do my eyebrows, and all that good. Hopefully you find this video helpful for you guys that were wondering about how I do my eyebrows and what I use on them and everything. But let me stop rambling and we're gonna go ahead and get into the details. All right, so keep on watching. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and hop right into this video. So first thing first is that I used a CoverGirl eyebrow pencil. It's in the color 520. I don't have a new pack with me, so I can't really show you the packaging, but I will put it right here so you can see. They sell it in Walmart. That's where I mostly get it all the time. So it comes with like 2 pencils and a sharpener. So I've been using that for the longest time. I also use the Fenty Beauty MVP brow pencil in the color, the lightest color they have. I think it's called light blonde or something. So I use that one as well, but the CoverGirl is obviously a cheaper alternative. So I always use the CoverGirl eyebrow pencil when I do my eyebrows. So that's to clear up the air, because I get so many questions about what I use on my eyebrows and all that stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started to show you guys how I do my eyebrows. So first thing first, if you've been following me, you know about my baby wipes. I like baby wipes to wipe my face. But yeah, I already washed my face and everything. So I'm just gonna wipe my eyebrow area, because sometimes the products that I put on my face, they make my eyebrows, not my eyebrows, it makes the skin around my eyebrows like so sleek. So the pencil won't be like, the pencil won't be right, basically. It'd be taking forever. And then I go in with my spoolie, and then I just brush my eyebrow hairs. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get a question about this. I do not shape my natural eyebrow hairs or pluck them or anything, because they're already light. So I'm just like, what's the point of doing all that? But yeah, I don't pluck them, I don't shape them, I don't do none of that stuff. So once I brush my eyebrow hairs in place, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the pencil. This is how the pencil looks. Obviously it'll be a lot longer, but I have to buy some more. But this is how the pencil looks. The first thing I do is that I go underneath where my eyebrow hairs start, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to be following the natural shape of my eyebrows. So I start like right here underneath my eyebrow, like right underneath, and then I just draw underneath it. Once I get to where my arch area is going to start, I just keep drawing the line like all the way up, like a diagonal line like this. So this is how the first line looks. So this is where my underneath my eyebrow area starts, and then I just keep going all the way up to make a diagonal, because that's where my arch will be at naturally. Then the second thing I do is I go where the top of my eyebrow starts. So I start like right here, and then I just draw along the top of my eyebrow. So I'm drawing the top of my eyebrow, and then where my arch is, or is it called an arch, or is it called a, I think it's called an arch, right? When you up here, that's the arch. So yeah, when my arch is coming up, that's when I turn it and then bring it on downtown. Please excuse my edges, y'all. I just put some edge control on because they were puffy, so I'm not no edge expert, but because they look a mess, so excuse my edges. I draw where the arch is, and then I just bring it all the way down until where my hair actually stops at. where the tail of the eyebrow hair stops naturally, that's where I stop. And then where I made this diagonal line right here, I go ahead and curve to make my arch. And then I just bring that line down and connect. Bring it down and connect the tail to complete the tail of the eyebrow. So this is just the full outline. Like I always do the outline of my eyebrow first so I can see how it look before I fill it in. And if I like it, then I'll go ahead and fill it in. I highly recommend trying this out, y'all. Like I will not steer you wrong because this pencil is good. It does not mash. It's not moldable. It does not smear. When you do this, it does not smear. So you good to go. Like you good to go. But yeah, this is how the eyebrow shape looks before I actually fill it in. I'm going to do the same process on my other eyebrow. So go underneath where my natural eyebrow hairs start, and then I just make a diagonal like line shape to where my arch will start. And then I go on top of where my eyebrow starts and just make that line. Then where I get where my arch is, like I said, this eyebrow doesn't really have like a arch. So I have to like force it so it don't look crazy. So I will start the arch like right here and then just bring it all the way down. So I bring it all the way down to where my natural eyebrow hairs, the tail of my natural eyebrow hair stops. And then I go underneath where my eyebrow is and then just make that arch and curve it. And bring that line down to connect for the tail of the eyebrow. It's just be so frustrating with this eyebrow though, because I can tell it's not the same as this one. But again, your eyebrows are supposed to be sisters, not twins. Alright. Once I get my outline of my eyebrows going, I go ahead back in with my spoolie, brush my eyebrow hairs. And then I actually go ahead and start filling in my eyebrows. My eyebrows have been in an evolutionary state, so I used to do like fill it all the way down here to make a block, but I'm just not into that no more. I don't really like it like that anymore. Where I start to fill in, I will start like right here where my tear duct is actually. I will start filling in right here, and I just make a little line so I know where to stop filling in at. I will go ahead and fill in my eyebrows boldly, like after the line I just drew, so all this will be colored in boldly, and I'll leave this part up here for last. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill it in. So just fill in the eyebrow the way your eyebrow hairs grow. So boom, like this, and then I'll go back in with my spoolie, brush the hairs, and then I'm gonna go ahead and fill in the front of my eyebrow lightly. And then I'll go in with my spoolie and brush it. Also, I don't use concealer to sharpen up my eyebrow. I use my baby wipe, and I just go underneath and just clean it up, sharpen it up, and then go on top of my eyebrow, sharpen it up. And then I go back in with my eyebrow pencil and go underneath and on top of my eyebrow so that line can be super crisp. And then once I finish making the outline of my eyebrow sharper after I took the baby wipe, I go back in and fill it in one more time. But I'm just filling in the area that I want to be darker. I'm not filling all the way in the front of my eyebrow. And then I'm going to go in with my spoolie and brush the hair. And then I'm brushing the front of my eyebrow so I don't have like a block at the front. And that's all I do, y'all, for my eyebrows. That's literally all I do. I don't do anything extra. Just follow the shape of my natural eyebrow hair and fill it in. So I'm going to do the same steps on my other eyebrow. So I'm just filling my whole entire eyebrow in instead of the front, because I'm leaving the front area last. Alright guys, so I think I'm done. Okay guys, so that's all I do for my eyebrows. That's like literally it. Takes me about 10 minutes to do my eyebrows, and then I just go ahead and do the rest of my makeup and everything like that. If you have not seen my everyday makeup look, go ahead and click right here and click in the description box and click that link so you can go watch it. This is all I do. Hopefully this video helped you guys on what I use for my eyebrows, how I do my eyebrows, and all that good. All right, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share, because sharing is caring. Go ahead and share the video. Don't forget you're beautiful, you're strong, you the best music. And I will see you guys in my next one.